I've made a tutorial video on a video similar to this one displaying on the screen here now. So on today's tutorial, I'm focusing on showing you how to edit this kind of video using Capcut editing application with reverse effect. Just give me a few minutes and we should be done. Let's go to the Capcut to show you how I got the video edited. Once you get to Capcut, click on new project, then you bring in the video that you recorded. Okay, before we click on add, see how I recorded the video. Okay, all right. You have seen it. Okay, so click on add to bring the video to the editing interface. The first thing first is to highlight the video, then click on speed to adjust the speed forward. Okay, increase it to 4 or 5. I think that should be okay. Then click on that check mark key, then you click here to return it. The next thing which you need to do is to swipe this feature until you get to reverse, then click on it to apply the effect. It will take some time, but just exercise patience. Alright, after applying the reverse effect, let's play the video before we continue so that you will see how the reverse effect looks like. Have you seen it? Hope you are watching the video. Alright, after this demonstration, okay, now we are going to do some touchings. This is what you need to do. Okay, you can see that this very white dot is my thumb. I'm using it to navigate through the video, okay, by swiping it to the left. Okay, from the area where I thrust out my hand, okay, target it at this very vertical line. Then you head over to this very split here and click on it. Highlight this one by touching this is the unwanted pattern, then you come over to delete to have it deleted. Now you take it forward again, still maintaining that very position. Okay, now at this point let's leave it here. You come over here again and then have the video splitted by highlighting it. You can see split there. Then having it splitted, you take the video forward again. When the bucket is about to start shaking, you can see where I'm targeting the stuff on. Okay, let's leave it here. Then you come over here again and split it, then target that middle one, highlight it and click on delete to have it deleted. What you need to do now is to take this very first part as an overlay. How will you do that? Just have it highlighted, then you swipe to this end until you get to overlay, having it clicked and having the video brought below the other video bar. Now what you need to do is to head over to mask. Okay, click on it here, then choose a horizontal. Applying that horizontal, this is what you will do. Do you see this very yellow line? Okay, click and hold and take it up until some part of the other video will be revealed. You can see my hand here. Let me point it out. That is my hand in this very video bar. See the one we are working on. Now you need to bring that very yellow line down to cover the hand. Do you understand? See what I'm doing? Then just bend it this way. Very good. Let's play the video again. Very good. At this point now you head over to the very check mark and have it authenticated. Okay, what you need to do now is to apply that very lighting effect. What will you do? Just go to YouTube and search for electric sparkling light black screen or green screen. Now choose the one that will be okay for you, but if you want to use this particular one I've already downloaded, indicate on the comment section, I will give it to you. So to apply that very effect, come over to this very point and return it. Click on add overlay. It will take you to a gallery. Okay, let me speed up the search because the stuff is very far. All right, here is it. Then click on it and click on add. It will appear like this. What you need to do is to search the effect and choose the one you want because there are many here. Do you understand? So I love this first one. Okay, so click on it and split it at that very area where the stuff ended. Then you delete the unwanted one. Come over to that very effect again and highlight it for you to remove that very black color. Click on splice, then choose filter, which is the second box. Now what you need to do is to use your hand 2 thumbs to rotate the effect. You can see that 2 dotted white line. That is my finger. That is my thumbs rather. Then you come over to this check mark and then check mark it. Now what you need to do is to target this very stuff so that it will appear as though the stuff is coming from your hands. Okay, I think this should be okay. This should be okay. Let's play the video. So you can discover that the length of the effect, that lighting effect, is longer than this very second overlay. What you need to do to shorten it is to increase the speed of it, which is this. See the speed, click on it and increase it to 0.7 or so. Okay, let's play the video again. Very good. Now let's play the video before exporting it. Have you seen how the whole water cleared and dried up from the ground? Have you seen it? So once you are done the editing, the next thing which you need to do is to head over to this very export and have the video downloaded to your gallery, from which you can now post it to your page or to your channel. Do you understand? So one thing you owe me is to just share this video so that others will benefit from it.